Good morning, class. Today we are going to learn lesson number 8, metrology. Lesson number 8, metrology. So, before start this lesson, we should know what is by metal, what is by non-metal, what are their properties. So, metal means metals which shows the property, malleability, ductility, luster. Okay, this is metal. And again we can say metals have tendency to lose electron and non-metal having tendency to accept electron. So let us start physical property of metals. You know that metals generally hard, but some exception like as gallium, mercury is a liquid at room temperature, and metal possesses luster, malleability, ductility, this property. We know that generally metals are hard, but some exception alkaline earth metal group first, sodium, lithium, potassium. Okay, this is alkaline earth metal in group first, are very soft and can be cut easily by the knife. Metal shows good means metal is a good example of conductor. Metals conduct good electricity and heat. Melting point of high melting point, example tungsten, it's given 3422 degree Celsius. Now a sound is produced, that is called sonority. Sound is produced when metals when metals are struck. So this is called sonority. Next, given properties of non-metal. Non-metal, it is found that some non-metals are in solid state while some are in gaseous. Some non-metals solid state and some are in gaseous. Example again, see some exception given. Which one? Bromine. Bromine is a non-metal but in liquid states. Non-metal do not have a luster. Non-metal do not have a luster, but exception iodine. Iodine shows the luster. Non-metals are not a hard, but exception diamond. Non-metals are a bad conductor of electricity and heat, but graphite is a exception. Graphite is a exception. It is good conductor of electricity and heat. So again metals, now see chemical properties of metal. So metals have tendency to lose electron and non-metals have tendency to gain electron. Next, given reaction of metal. First reaction given, reaction of metals with oxygen. See on the screen now, sodium react with oxygen to form oxides of sodium. You know that alkaline earth metal, sodium, lithium, potassium, this is the alkaline earth metal. Okay, it is not hard, it is a soft, they are the soft in nature. So when sodium react oxygen to form oxides of sodium, now these oxides of sodium react with water to form sodium hydroxide, Now same way magnesium, when magnesium burn in presence of oxygen to form oxides of magnesium, and these oxides of magnesium react with water to form magnesium hydroxide, OH group. OH group is shows the basic nature. So that's why metals generally basic in nature. And next is given reaction of metal with water. See reaction of metal with water. We cannot taking here sodium because sodium is highly reactive element. That's why sodium always kept in kerosene. Okay, when metal reacts with water, so to form when metals react with water, example suppose sodium, react with water H2O to form sodium hydroxide, to form sodium hydroxide, okay, and liberation of hydrogen gas. Same way, suppose you are taking magnesium, magnesium react with oxygen to form, reaction react with oxygen to form magnesium hydroxide, magnesium oxide, and this magnesium oxide react with water to form magnesium hydroxide plus liberation of hydrogen gas plus plus heat. Now next given here, reaction of metal with nitric acid, and again some part left, calcium reaction of with the calcium. So see, when water react with calcium, it is slowly react, but liberation of hydrogen gas also, formation of liberation of hydrogen gas plus calcium hydroxide, okay. Next is given reaction of metal with nitric acid. When nitric acid react with copper, so formation of copper nitrate plus nitrogen dioxide plus water. These are the product form. Same way I ask question, aqua regia combination or mixture of two elements, which are mixture of two compound, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, okay, using to clean the gold ornament. So next topic we will see next time. Till then, bye.